measuring tools, you must know what the meaning of matter. Everything around us is matter. The teddy bear is matter, the balloon is matter, the book is matter, the pen is matter, table, chair, rubber, ruler, you, all of this is called matter. All things different or differ in shape and color, but all of them is called matter. These things are called matter because they have mass and volume. So, matter means anything has mass and volume. So, what's the definition of matter? Matter it's anything that has mass and a volume, or everything that has mass and occupies part of space. Apple has mass, banana has mass, carrot has mass, pen, pencil, ruler, all of this have mass. So any matter has mass and occupies a part of space equal has a volume. So let's start to know what's the meaning of mass. Mass it is the amount of matter that the object contains, or it is the amount of matter in an object. Let's start with the meaning of volume. Volume it is a space that's occupied by an object. Any object has volume, has a part of a space. In this lesson, we are going to how to measure the length of an object, the mass of an object, and the volume of an object. So, in this lesson, we take the length measuring tools and the length measuring unit, the mass measuring tools and the mass measuring units, the volume measuring tools and volume measuring units. Let's start with length. Measuring tool of length. We have two measuring tools of length. The first tool is called measuring ruler and the second tool is called graduated tape. The measuring ruler, it's a tool, it's suitable to measure the small lengths like pen, like book. But graduated tape, it's a tool suitable to or suitable for measure the length of large objects, like the dimension of classroom. Now we take length measuring units. We have three measuring units of length. The first unit is centimeter. Centimeter is it's suitable for measuring the small length as the length of pen or book. Meter, it's suitable for measuring large lengths as the dimension of your classroom. Kilometer, it's suitable for measuring very large lengths as the distance between Cairo and Alexandria. Note, 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So each one of meter equal 100 centimeter because meter is a big unit. Kilometer equal 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter and 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So the very large unit of length is called kilometer and the smallest unit of length is called centimeter. Okay, now let's start to talk about mass. Mass measuring tools are common balance or two-band balance. Common balance or two-band balance you see at at supermarket to measure the mass of tomatoes and cheese. So, common balance or two-pan balance, it measures the mass of large objects like tomatoes, like carrots, like apple, like banana, like cheese. Okay. The second measuring tool of mass is called sensitive balance. Sensitive balance, it measures the mass of tiny or small objects as things are made of gold or and chemicals in the laboratory. So sensitive balance, it's suitable for measure the small objects like gold, like light, like chemicals. Mass measuring units. We have three measuring units of mass. The first unit is called gram or a part of gram. It's suitable to measure small masses like jewelry, gold, chemicals, and what else. The second unit is kilogram. It's suitable to measure the large masses such as fruits and vegetables, such as tomatoes, such as banana, such as apples, such as cheese, and what else. The third unit of mass is called ton. It's suitable to measure the mass of heavy objects or very large objects, such as cars and elephants. Notes: 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams, so kilogram greater than gram. 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram, so 1 ton is greater than kilogram. So the biggest unit or the largest unit of mass is called ton, and the smallest unit of mass is called grams. Volume measuring tools are: we have two measuring tools of volume. The first tool is called graduated cylinder and second tool is called ruler. The graduated cylinder, it measures the volume of liquid as water, as oil, as milk and juice, and also the volume of a regular solid body such as a stone. So graduated cylinder suitable for volume of liquid and a regular solid body. The second measuring tool is called ruler. It measures the dimension of regular solid body as a cuboid. So ruler measures the dimension of regular solid body and after that calculate its volume. Now let's start to talk about volume measuring units. Volume measuring units like liter and milliliter. Liter and or milliliter, it's used for estimating. Estimating means measures the volume of liquids only. But cubic meter, cubic centimeter is used for estimating the volume of solid and liquids. So liter and milliliter suitable for volume of liquids only, but cubic meter, cubic centimeter, volume of liquid and solid. Note: 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter equal 1000 cubic centimeter. So 1 milliliter equal 1 cubic centimeter. Now we are going to study how we can measure the volume of liquid like water, like oil, like milk, like juice, and what else? Volume of regular solid body such as a cuboid. The third is volume of an irregular solid body such as a stone. The first, measuring the volume of liquid such as a water, we by using the graduated cylinder. When we use the graduated cylinder to measure the volume of liquid, we took the reading of the cylinder. This reading means the volume of liquids. The second point, measuring the volume of regular solid body such as a cuboid by using the ruler. When use the ruler to measure the volume of regular solid body such as book, we take the length and width and height L times W equals the volume of regular solid body such as book. The third point, measuring the volume of an irregular solid body such as a stone by using the graduated cylinder. When we use a graduated cylinder to measure irregular solid body such as a stone, the level of surface of water rises up. This increase means the volume of irregular solid body. Note, when a body is submerged in a cylinder full of liquid completely like water, an amount of this liquid is spilled out from the cylinder. So, the volume of the body equals the volume of spilled water. If the spilled water equals 20 cubic centimeters, so the volume of stone equals 20 centimeters. Thank you for listening my lesson today.